Hello everyone, my name is Masha and in this video I'm going to be making this beautiful Christmassy holly pattern. So this time I decided to go with an alpha bracelet, and as you can see here I am making triangle beginnings and ends to this alpha bracelet. This is actually the first time I've ever done it with an alpha. I usually do it with normal patterns, for pretty much every normal pattern that I make nowadays. Unless I do like a loop, I always do triangle ties. There's a video on that, by the way. I've made one on how to make triangle ties. But yeah, I've never done it with an alpha, so this was my first ever attempt doing that, and I think it went pretty well. The beginning of it is a bit curved, so I need to figure out a way how to keep it straight. But other than that, I think it turned out really well, and I love this, and I'm definitely going to be doing this every single time I make an alpha now. Oh yeah, here I made a mistake, so I had to untie a couple of knots that I did, which is annoying, but also every single time I make a bracelet, literally every single time I make a bracelet, I always make a mistake. There is not a single bracelet that I have ever made where I didn't make a mistake. So if you're ever feeling bad about how you make mistakes in bracelets, I mean, I'd say just don't worry about it. I feel like everyone does it. I used to be really annoyed with myself, but I've learned to just go with the flow and just untie it, move along, doesn't matter. It's fine. There's actually quite a few bracelets that I've, like, previously, obviously not right now, but in the past, there's a lot of bracelets I've started, made a mistake, and then just dropped and never finished at all, purely because I just made that one mistake and it annoyed me so much that I just couldn't continue with the bracelet. But yeah, I just learnt to accept it and just go with the flow. But yeah, I love this pattern. I think it's great. I really love it. I just, you know, have so much respect for anyone who ever creates patterns. I've created a few patterns in the past. You can actually see them on my profile that is linked in the description, but they're really bad because I made them years ago. I was just trying out the system, trying to figure out how to do them. They're really bad. So yeah, they're just really cringy. But I have the utmost respect for people who actually make nice patterns that are doable and that look good. So yeah, I love this pattern. I feel like it's very Christmassy. The colour combination is obviously very Christmassy, but I managed to find threads, I managed to find strings in my collection of strings that are perfect for that bracelet. So it's like this deep red and this deep green. I thought they'd go amazing together, and the white just highlights everything and brings everything out. So yeah, it's just very beautiful in my opinion, and so satisfying to make. I enjoyed it so much. And yeah, it's also December now, so everyone in my life, in my personal life, who has been telling me that, oh Maria, it's too early to be in the Christmas spirit, can now just, you know, stop. It's December, it's not too early, I can be in the Christmas spirit however I like. I can express myself with tinsel, with beautiful Christmas trees, with happy Christmas signs, you know, everything of that sort. So yeah, everyone can just shut up now. It's December, it's full-blown Christmas spirit. But yeah, just so you know, like which is weird because I have never been like this. Never. Not a single year in my entire life have I ever been like this. But this year I started with the Christmas spirit way too early. Even I can admit that, honestly. It was way too early. I started getting into it at the beginning of November, which is when I bought a 1,000-piece Christmas puzzle, which is actually really beautiful. It's great. I love it so much. It's a really beautiful picture, like a painting, I guess, of just a Christmas scene, a Christmas town, and I spent an entire full day making that puzzle, making that puzzle. I spent the entire full day making that puzzle, listening to Christmas songs, and it was great. I had a lovely time. It was my day off from both uni and work. It was amazing. And then since then I haven't touched it, and that was like in early November. But yeah, I made most of it, so over half of it is done, but the sky is the only bit that's left, and the road, which are both sort of this, you know, same colour, same... it's difficult. So yeah, I was in the Christmas spirit very early. Everyone was telling me that, oh, it's way too early, stop it, stop it. Everyone's just, yeah, I have too many Grinches around me, you know. Now it's December, finally I can be in the Christmas spirit and everyone can just shut up. So yeah, I'm to spread joy. I want to spread as much as I can. So yeah, how are you guys with Christmas? Are you guys excited for it, super ready, or are you guys also Grinches like all of my friends? Yeah, let me know. Have you already put up your Christmas decorations, or are you waiting for that? I don't know. But yeah, the pattern for this is linked in the description, by the way, just so you can check that out and make it for yourself if you want to. Because yeah, I love it. I'm staring at it right now as I'm recording this voiceover, both in real life and on film. I love it. Oh yeah, here I zoomed in. I really like the zoomed in shot. I'm probably gonna, for future videos, I'm probably gonna do more zoomed in shots like this, especially for alphas, because alphas, they go from left to right and, you know, right to left, they're sort of weaving. The string weaves, you know, in a zigzag. And especially when you're zoomed in like this, you can really tell how the pattern is forming, sort of row by row. I think it's great. I love time lapses of bracelets. It's the perfect way to finish making a bracelet. You know, you spend all this time, I spent 5 hours on this, by the way, 5.5. You spend all this time making the bracelet, right? And then at the very end, if you make a time lapse of it, you get to see the way that you made the progress. It's just so great. It's just such a nice conclusion to all the hard work that you've done. I don't know, I find it really satisfying. But also the shot, it sort of zooms, well, not zooms in, I was going to say, focuses, goes in and out of focus. That's what I was going to say. That was because I didn't set up the camera correctly. But you know what? I'm a new channel. I'm learning. It's fine. It's fine. I'm still going to post this. Like, I'm not going to redo the entire bracelet. It's fine. Just next time I'm going to be more careful and make sure that I film correctly. But yeah. I don't know, I'm a perfectionist, these things bother me. Same with bracelets, like things like that bother me. But yeah, I need to deal with them and let them go. But yeah, I don't know, I love Christmas. Even though I don't actually celebrate Christmas. This might be really weird to say, but because I am half Russian, right? Well, not half, I'm over half Russian, whatever. I'm Russian, and Russian people don't really celebrate Christmas. It's not a thing that we do. So I don't actually celebrate Christmas, but I love Christmas nonetheless. I love the Christmas spirit. I love the holiday. I love everything about it. Definitely in the Christmas spirit and the Christmas mood. I just don't celebrate the actual day, which might sound really weird. But because I'm Russian, like, we celebrate we celebrate New Year how you guys normally celebrate Christmas. And I say you guys, I mean the people who actually do celebrate Christmas, not everyone. You know what I mean? So yeah, we in Russia celebrate the New Year very similarly to how people who celebrate Christmas celebrate Christmas. So by getting into the Christmas spirit, I'm essentially also getting into the spirit of New Year in terms of, you know, how Russian people celebrate it. But yeah, Christmas time is amazing, but it's also very stressful because literally everything is happening all at once. I have 4 coursework deadlines, massive coursework deadlines, in the span of 2 weeks from today. So the last deadline is on the 14th of December. Very stressed, extremely stressed. I really shouldn't be making a video right now at all. I should not be doing this, but this is my way of procrastinating and regaining my sanity after an entire day of writing coursework, which is what I have been doing this entire day. I need these bracelets. I need these videos to keep my sanity. So if any of my friends are watching this, hi, this is how I procrastinate. Nice to meet you. But yeah, after this I'm definitely getting back to writing my coursework again, because I need to. But yeah, also apart from that, Christmas is also a very stressful time because you need to buy gifts for everyone. Not only do you have to choose gifts for everyone, which I somewhat enjoy, because it's, you know, creative and whatever, but also it's stressful. But yeah, not only that, but also, you know, I'm a student. I don't have money. Money is not a thing that I know, you know, in everyday life. It's just not a thing that happens to me. I have to work really hard on my part-time job, combining that with university to get any money. So that's stressful. Life is great. But yeah, nonetheless, despite all of that stress and all of that stuff, I really enjoy Christmas. It's my favourite time of the year. It's the most wonderful time of the year, as the famous song suggests. It's great. So yeah, we're approaching the end of the time-lapse now, so I should better wrap up. I'm going to be filming a few more Christmas videos before Christmas. I'm hoping to release a video every week. We shall see how that goes because I do have coursework, so I'm not promising anything, but that is the plan. So yeah, if you guys have any video suggestions, leave them down below. I'd love to hear them. And if you ever make anything based on my videos, also let me know and send me pictures on Instagram, because that is one of my favourite things to do, is to watch what you guys created and to look at, you know, pictures and stuff. So yeah, this is the finished bracelet. This is the other side of the bracelet. I love looking at that. I don't know why. I always enjoy seeing how the, you know, threads go together. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!